Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at two unanimous strong buy stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at two companies that have picked up nothing but buy ratings from Wall Street Analysts. So we're going to take a look at these two companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. Just before we get into all of that, this is your reminder to head over to the TipRanks website and check out our newsletter center, where you can get unique investing insights sent to your inbox every single week. There is both the Smart Investor newsletter plus the Dividend Investor newsletter, so follow the links in the description down below to check that out. Now let's get right into these two unanimous strong buy stocks. First up, we're taking a look at Establishment Labs. Their stock trades under the ticker ESTA and is currently priced at $54 per share. Now, the stock had seen some ups, but is down 12% in the year to date, cooling off in these last few months. This company has been making a name for themselves in the global breast augmentation and reconstruction industry, and please hold your comments. Establishment Labs is a medical tech firm, and their core offering is their breast implant brand, Motiva, which does include 3 different products. Their Motiva Flora Tissue Expander is the sole regulatory-approved expander in the world, employed to enhance results in breast reconstruction procedures performed after breast cancer treatment. This year, they also added to their product line with their Mia Femtech product. This offers a minimally invasive experience where a breast can be shaped in a 15-minute process without requiring general anesthesia. Now, what's interesting is that the company does not yet have presence in 2 of the largest markets, but it's looking like that is set to change soon. The company is setting their sights on a Q4 launch of their Motiva line in China, and it's expected that a US launch should be imminent as well. On August 8th, they shared their latest quarterly report, where they did come in with a narrower than expected loss and set a new quarterly record for revenue. They reported a Q2 loss per share of 65 cents, better than the anticipated loss of 72 cents per share. And on the revenue side of things, it came in at $48.6 million, which was an increase of 18% year over year. Their chief executive officer noted that the momentum in their business remains high. With the ongoing rollout of their Mia Femtech and pending approval of Motiva in China, they are well positioned to have a strong finish to the year. Following that earnings report, of course, we had several analysts weighing in, one of them coming from JP Morgan. They said that they see multiple paths to growth with major near-term catalysts like the impending launch of Motiva in the US and China, 2 of the largest markets by volume and dollars for breast augmentation and reconstruction, and the ongoing launch of Mia Femtech. As I said at the start, these stocks do come in with unanimous buys, and Establishment Labs currently has 5 analyst ratings. The average price target comes in at $95.20. That would be an upside potential of 76% from current prices. Down below, we can see our most recent ratings. The most recent coming from JP Morgan with an upside of 37%, one 5-star analyst from Citi with an upside of 44%, and then the ones from last month there are 95 and 101%. Of course, the stock has cooled off a bit since those. For our second stock, we're going to a very different industry with Remitly Global. Their stock trades under the ticker RELY and is currently priced at $25.45 per share. Now, these guys have seen some huge growth this past year. They're up 112% with growth of 27% in the last 3 months. Remitly Global is a fintech company providing international money transfer services to both individuals and businesses around the world. Founded back in 2011, the company has rapidly grown to become a trusted player in the global remittance industry. Their mission is to make the process of sending and receiving money across borders faster, more affordable, and more convenient, particularly in immigrant communities and individuals who rely on remittances as a crucial lifeline. Remitly has 5 million quarterly active customers with 4,800 corridors and presence in over 170 countries. In their latest quarterly report at the start of August, they did come out with an earnings beat, and they saw their active customers increase 47% year over year. For their Q2, they reported earnings per share of 9 cents, coming in well ahead of the anticipated 1 cent loss per share. Their active customers increased to 5 million, with revenue coming in at $234 million, which was up 49%. Their co-founder and CEO said that based on their performance and the continued resilience of their customers, they were pleased to increase their 2023 outlook for both revenue and adjusted EBITDA, while at the same time making high-return investments to move us towards our long-term vision. And we once again have a JP Morgan analyst weighing in on the stock. They said that they were raising their estimates to assume 42% revenue growth in fiscal 2023, which would be a touch above guidance, making this stock a top grower in their coverage, and they continue to recommend Remitly as their favorite small cap growth idea. And of course, we know other analysts agree. The Remitly stock does have 6 unanimous buy ratings. And the average price target comes in at $28.40 per share, which would be an upside of 11.5%. Down below, we can see our most recent ratings, including that rating from the 5-star analyst at JP Morgan, who gives it an upside of 33%. The more recent are 14, nearly 18% upsides here, and we do have some lower ones from last month, around 2%. Of course, the stock has seen a lot of growth since then, so nearly hitting this price target. So there we have 2 stocks, both coming in with unanimous strong buy ratings from analysts. Let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies and what you think about their future growth potential. I always love hearing from you guys. Of course, keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just keeping you up to date with what those Wall Street analysts are looking at and providing some information and entertainment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.